Friday we were working on infinite series, and one of the things that we didn't get to was the last page of our notes, and it was talking about find a simple fraction for a repeating decimal. So I want to go over two problems that are like that here now. No. All right, so on this one, I want you guys to write this down because this is basically equivalent to what it says. We're finishing the notes from last week. Look at the screen, you guys. Wouldn't you agree that this side does equal that side? They mean the same thing, right? Okay, so another way we can write this, and I'm just going to focus in. Okay, that can also be written like this. And so on. That's a 6-5 right there, you guys. I ran out of room. Okay? Can't you see, would you guys agree that those things mean the same thing? Yeah. Okay. All right. So one of the things you notice here is this is kind of a infinite series, right? What is my R value here? What am I multiplying this one by to get this one? 0.01. Yep. Okay. So part of this problem is I'm looking at an infinite series and then I'm adding that infinite series to a regular number. Okay. So that being said, I can find the summation of my infinite series here by taking g sub 1 divided by 1 minus r. Okay, so what is g sub 1 here? 0.65, yep. And I'm going to take 1 minus 0.01. So if I were to write this out, I have 0.065 over 0.99. And then that would be the same thing as saying 65 over 990. Okay? So now I've got the infinite series part of it, the repeating decimal part, and a simple fraction. I got to add that, though, however, to this number still. Add this to that. Okay? Because it was asking us to write this whole thing in a simple fraction. We've got this part done now. Now we got to add it to this. So really, 39.4 is equal to 39 and 4/10, right? Okay. Another way we can write that is 390 plus 4, which would be 394 over 10. Correct? Okay. So I need to add 394 over 10 to 65 over 990. Yep. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply this one by 99. Okay, both on top and bottom. And if I did that, I end up with 39,071 if I add them all together over 990. And if I reduce that, I end up with 39 and 461 over 990. Okay? So, in looking at this one, so I have these two right here. Now, this is my fraction at this point because I took this repeating geometric series and my R value is 0.001. Okay, so now I need to add this one to this one. Okay, so we have 86 point and 49 100ths. Okay, plus 27 990 99,990. Okay, and if I were to put all these like this fraction into a mixed fraction, it would be 8649 over 100. Okay. So what would I have to multiply the first one by to get it equal? Yep. Okay. And then if you did that in the very end after simplifying everything, you got 16007 over 1850. Now you might have gotten 8640,378. Okay, over 999,000 or 99,900. Now that reduces to this.
It reduces to like 86.
Yep, so that's what it would be. Okay?
So wait, what is it?
So this is in its complete reduced value is this. Okay, this is equivalent, but it's not totally reduced.